just thinking of who's gonna rent it for a month and be.
I'm gonna have kids, right?
We could get one of those double, like the queen beds on the bottom and the bunk bed on top.
Yeah. That desk is hers. It's her room, right?
Yeah, we got that desk in our house that we don't need.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Yeah, we can get new legs for that, the tabletop. So we can keep the filing cabinet for us. It's got all of our stuff in it. And then we can even paint it, make it look cute. I'd love to make that place look cute. I was thinking leave the walls that coffee color, or the Swiss coffee, and then paint the ceiling the blue like we have it at our house.
Like in the
bedroom.
Okay.
Or maybe just do ceiling white.
Well, let's just.
I'm just thinking.
Once the art's down, I'll take pictures of it, and then I'll load it up onto
Photoshop.
Photoshop, and we can probably play around with it pretty well there.
Great. Yeah, honey.
I got a car.
You got a car?
Rainbow green.
Yeah, I mean, I don't want to put too much work into it again, because if it's October and we've got enough cash, or who knows where we are, right? We can knock that place down and put up 2 to 3 units back there. Your car? Who has it? Oh, who gave it to you? Oh, I have to tell you who gave it to you? Which car? I don't know which car you're talking about. People have given you a lot of cars. Oh, well, Aunt Allison gave you the truck that holds all your little cars. Oh, the big one that you go in? That's Steve and Priscilla Hockett. The Hocketts. Steve Hockett and Priscilla Hockett, they gave you that one. Yes, they did, for your first birthday.
There's no room in it.
There's what?
There's no room in it.
There's no room for it? We'll make room for it.
So, you know, we got the 2 houses. So
Yeah.
maybe like 5.
Yeah. Yeah, let's see how it looks and then get the name of their guy. For sure.
Their names are Katie and Dylan.
Mighty Mighty Boston's.
There's a bunch of names
Sorry.
out.
Maybe I want one of those Volvos for my car.
That guy?
Yeah.
Is that the one that Sarah's got?
It is, yeah. Yeah, I've liked him since Arian had one. Luxurious. Still family friendly. Either one of those or I think a Lexus would be nice.
Small.
Lexus is small.
Volvo's small. It's small.
Yeah.
You could not get a 75 STV in the back of that guy.
No, that's what Randolph was for.
Been off the wise. Been off the ready. Been off the powerful. Been off the magnificent. Magnificent.
Magnificent.
Oh, scheiße. Yeah, Tedden. I guess you guys just don't want to give anyone space to move over. I understand that. But I'm going to do it anyway. I'm going to do it anyway, and I'm not going to ask for anyone's forgiveness. Whoa! That possum was in dead mode. Did you see it?
No.
It was standing up in frozen, acting like it was dead because it was so scared.
Oh, poor thing.
Yeah, well, I agree with you. It's just impressed to see a possum in dead mode. Yeah, Ted and raspberries just aren't cutting it anymore.
We'll be home in 10 minutes.
Maybe. Oh, Tedden. Going out of business forever. Sale.